Welcome back to the Auction Car Reconditioning channel. I wanted just to quick show you today that you can polish plastics, textured or smooth plastics, to clean them up, make them nice and dark and rich looking again, prepare them to protect them, remove oxidation. Let's get into it. Let me show you how. The plastics on the old Rover here, smooth but dull and oxidized. All the way up through here. Especially this one because it's slanted the most and pointed up towards the sun. So, I mean, it's smooth, but it has a little bit of texture to it. Let me show you how to polish them safely. Over here, you have a polisher. It doesn't matter what type of polisher you use. Old pads. I save the old pads for jobs like this. There's going to be a ton of transfer, and I'll normally just throw them in the trash after that. So for the smooth, non-textured plastics, I'll use this ultra-fine finishing foam pad. For textured plastics, they do make finishing microfiber fibers as well. And they attach those to the pads, and that's what this looks like. For the polish, any cleaner polish, any finisher polish, I'm going to use the Fabulous finishing polish from Phoenix EOD, and then any old towel to wipe off residue. Put a piece of tape on here, kind of show you the difference. Polish the top part, leave the bottom part as is. Let's grab the polisher with the foam pad. You don't want anything really aggressive. All we're really doing is cleaning the surface of the plastic. I guess exfoliate would be another word for it if you want to use that. No pressure, no speed. We're not correcting paint. We're just cleaning. Speed down. I keep it on the lowest speed. I'm just guiding the polisher back and forth, up and down. I'm not applying pressure. I don't want to cut into and correct the plastic, so to speak, but I do want to clean it. And this machine, along with the polish, scrubs it for me. Now, if you're working on what I call thirsty plastics, that's the old, dry rotted, oxidized plastic, you're going to have to load up your pad again. I wanted to show you, not a whole ton of transfer. You're getting a little bit of the oxidation, but get a little bit more of the product on there because it will drink it in. Very porous, very thirsty, very absorbent. This will not stain the plastic. Especially if you're using the Phoenix EOD polish here, the finisher. Now you're going to have to get in these areas here either by hand or with a small machine, small polisher. But that's no problem. And I just wanted to use the prep to show you that it's not the polishing oils soaking into the plastic and making it look darker and richer temporarily. This is a permanent fix, and you can protect this, coating, sealant, whatever, and lock in all of this goodness. Bring it in closer so you can see the difference. Pretty big difference. Let's come up here and do the same thing on the B pillar. And then we'll use the same pad, same polish. Ideally, having a 3-inch polisher would work great in these areas. I didn't have one ready, so I'm using this, and it works perfectly fine. There we go. That didn't take long at all. Again, using the panel prep to show you that it's not the polishing oils doing the work here. You're cleaning and exfoliating the surface. You imagine you put a coating on top of that yet? That would look fantastic. And finally, the A pillar. I wanted to show you on the B pillar, we did have quite a bit of transfer. So you would want to clean that off after every pillar. Keep your pad effective. When it gets clogged, it's not doing much. That should do it. Huge difference up here on the A pillar. There you have it. Some of these are different plastics. But each one can be improved. Sometimes drastically. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a short one to show you that, yes, you can indeed polish plastics. You're just cleaning them, and again, to use that expression, exfoliate. Just like on your arm, if you'd be removing dead skin molecules, skin cells, you'd be moving dead plastic molecules that are damaged from the sun's harmful rays. I hope that helps. If it looks a little blotchy or uneven, go over the area again. That means that you haven't cut down deep enough, or not cut down, but removed enough of the oxidation to make it look even and smooth. Just give it another pass. Take your time, no pressure. That'll do it. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I also want to remind you, for your favorite YouTube channels, not just this one, any of your favorites, YouTube will not let you know or give you a notification of new videos to your favorite channels unless you have interacted with them lately. And to interact with the channel, that's going to be a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment. Other than that, I don't know why they changed it, but even if you hit the notification bell, you may not be up to date with the newer videos from your favorite channel. I don't get it, but I just wanted to let you know that. Interact with your favorite channels one way or another, and you'll get the updates. This has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.